Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're signed in and online. Now open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right. Once done, tap Purchased. That shows apps tied to your Apple ID. If you use family sharing, pick your purchases to see only your apps. Make sure to choose Not on this iPhone to filter out installed apps. Here you begin the list of deleted apps available to redownload. This step starts the recovery process immediately. Now scan the purchase list or type the app name in the purchase search field to find what you deleted. Once you see the app, check developer name and app icon to avoid similar-looking apps. If it's listed, tap the Cloud Download button to queue reinstallation. If not, use the App Store main search to try direct lookup. Make sure to note if the app was removed from the store. That explains missing results and guides your next move. Tap the cloud icon to reinstall the app and watch the home screen for progress. Once complete, open it and grant any permissions requested. Make sure to sign into the app if it requires an account. Your data may restore from the app's cloud or iCloud backup. If the app isn't in purchased, switch Apple ID, check your App Store region, or accept that the developer removed it. In that case, try contacting the developer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.